Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my new vlog. We are vlogging, we are starting the vlog all the way from
Manali.
Manali. Yeah, we have run away from the Delhi heat. Delhi is almost crossing 50 degree plus. So for a short trip we have come in the city of Manali. And look at the breathtaking view guys, so beautiful. The weather is so cold here. The sun is about to rise. We got down for a tea break. Now we're gonna board the bus again and head towards Manali. This is the bus. Let's get in. Look at the beauty guys. It's a beautiful lake here and the sun has just risen. Aminda, you like the view?
It's very bright.
It's very bright. Yes, the sun has just risen. What a beauty. Wow, see this beautiful pine tree, the lake. Away from the hustle bustle city of Delhi, away from the Delhi heat. We're gonna go inside the tunnel. This is the tunnel inside the mountain. This is such a long tunnel. They have cut the mountain and made the way. We are about to come out from the tunnel now. We came out from the tunnel. Look at this hot balloon over there. Smiling. Yeah.
You have to do first before we take, and you have to take that pink one.
Okay, the pink one.
Yes.
So guys, we are finally here in Manali. This is the view from the top of our hotel room. We have come a little early. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. By 11 we'll get the hotel room. So in the meantime we're gonna have breakfast and then we just came to show you the view from the top of the hotel room. And how is the view, Mama?
Breathtaking.
Breathtaking. Then you're still breathing.
It's taking my breath.
And Aminda, did you like Manali?
Yes.
Yes. Whoa, it's Aminda's holiday, summer break. So actually we came specially for Aminda because he wants to see the snow-covered mountain. And tomorrow we are planning to go to a place called Rotang Pass, where though it's summer, there's a chance for us to see the snow. And Mama and Aminda is having a good time here. Let me show you the view guys. Look at this snow-covered mountain over there. Wow, beautiful. Let me just zoom and show you guys. Look at this, beautiful. And those are the apple trees. Look at the beautiful pine trees. Wow, so beautiful. So guys, this is our hotel here. See the yellow lily here. In Delhi it's so expensive. Look at this. Wow, so fresh lily. And you have the apple trees over there. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna show you guys. Guys, right now we're gonna see the apple tree for the very first time. For all of us, we keep eating apple, but this is the apple tree. Look at this guys.
Where's apple?
It's not ripe right now. It's green. This is the apple orchard. Wow, see, so many apple trees. Aminda, come. Baby, come. So look at this apple. See apple here.
Pick me up. Pick me up.
It's not
No, you can't pluck. These are baby apples. See, Aminda, everywhere apple. You saw? Wow, look at this guys. Bunch of apples here. Beautiful. We have seen this apple tree for the very first time. Don't pluck, baby, don't pluck. Apples. Himachal is famous for apples, no baby?
apple and then peach. Not only apple.
Where's the peach tree?
See?
Oh, here, nah? Right. I thought even this is an apple. And these are peaches. Look at this. Aminda, see, you say no, this peach looks like a
Bum.
what?
Bum.
Aminda says like this peach, this fruit looks like a bum. And in one way she's right actually. Aminda, you're so funny.
Where's banana tree?
Banana tree you find in Delhi. Here I don't see. So we have just come from the apple orchard, and we're still waiting for the room. The room is getting cleaned up. Then we're gonna go and show you the view of the room as well. I'm just making good use of time. This is our room here. We just checked into the hotel room, and this is the view from our hotel room here.
Look at the apple tree.
Mama has gone towards the balcony. Apple tree. Oh, apple tree is just here. And so many apples here. View from our
Snow, okay.
hotel window, balcony I mean, and so beautiful.
Look at the snow mountain.
So you like the room? How about you, Aminda? So this is the hotel room. Tomorrow they're gonna shift us to another location of the hotel room, where you can have the direct, view of the snow-covered mountain. The owner of this hotel is, my her friend. So they have given us a good room. And since the hotel is packed now, so they say like to give us, one more day. So tomorrow they're gonna shift us from this room to another room, which has a better view than this. So right now, our driver is waiting outside to take us for the side tour of this Manali. We're gonna quickly change ourselves, and then saving the time, we're gonna go out and explore the place and show you guys as well. So guys, we've moved out from the hotel now to explore the Manali, and our cab is coming behind us. It's just gonna take us near the place. We have taken a package actually. One of our friends, thanks to Pawan, if you're watching my vlog, he has booked everything from hotel to car for everything, and thanks to Pawan, because of him, we are able to enjoy this trip. So the hotel you can see behind us is a hotel. So guys, right now we are going towards the hot balloon, and Mama, you wanna try the hot balloon?
I don't mind. I'm excited.
How about Aminda?
Yes! Yes!
Yeah.
Yes!
Depending on the weather, they take for the paragliding and then hot balloon as well. So we're gonna go. Our driver Bhaiya, he is taking us towards the hot balloon. So let's see if we get the slot. We wouldn't mind going for the hot balloon, right?
Yeah.
Look at the view, guys. Wow, beautiful. प्यार हमारा था जो कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो. I'm reminded of this song of Three Idiots. Wow, see, beautiful. Beauty everywhere. और भैया आप तो यहाँ से हो?
हाँ जी भैया।
यहाँ का लोकल हो?
हाँ जी।
अच्छा, हिमाचली?
हाँ जी भैया।
अच्छा
यही है, मनाली में ही घर।
अच्छा. सो ये भैया रहेगा हम लोग का साथ कि पूरा 3-4 दिन घुमाने के लिए, है ना भैया?
हाँ जी भैया।
Towards the hot balloon, but they said right now it's very windy, so they told us to come after 4 PM in the evening. So तो वापस जाएंगे हम लोग और दूसरा कहीं घूम लेंगे ना, 4 बजे के बाद आएंगे. और हाँ पार्क, कोई बात नहीं, बाद में आ जाएंगे भैया, है ना?
4 बजे पहुँचे।
हाँ 4 बजे के बाद आ जाएंगे.
तब तक आप मॉल रोड घूमो।
हाँ तब तक मॉल रोड वगैरह घूम लेंगे.
हाँ जी।
So we have hired this car for the coming 3-4 days, and he's gonna take us around Manali. And tomorrow early morning we're gonna go to Rohtang Pass. It's we expect snow over there. सुबह तो कल सुबह 3 बजे निकलेंगे ना?
हाँ जी भाई, शाम को 3 बजे, शाम को,
हाँ
रात को,
हाँ परमिट, हाँ
वो लेना पड़ता ना आपको।
ठीक है, हम लोग सुबह रेडी हो जाएंगे.
क्योंकि
So Amita, you're gonna see the snow tomorrow, okay? For the very first time. So right now we're going towards the mall road. After 4 PM we're gonna come back and then like see the hot balloon as well. And tomorrow we're gonna go to Rohtang Pass. We have to wake up early in the morning by 3 AM in the morning, as our driver Bhaiya said, because so much of queue is there. And plus we have to take the permit also to go to Rohtang Pass. You can't just come and go to Rohtang Pass. You have to take the permit. So even the charges to go to Rohtang Pass, the permit is for 2 person is 4K plus, right? Yeah. Aminda is free. Yes. So tomorrow we're gonna see the snow. I've been to snowy places, but it will be first time for Aminda especially. And how about you, baby? Have you been to any snowing place?
No,
Have you seen the snow?
No.
I've never
Okay,
seen
it's
the
first
snow.
time for Mama and baby as well. Have you seen the snow, baby?
No.
No, right? You're gonna see tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Go and say hi. So we are going to a park, kind of like park. I don't know what is this. It's called Van Vihar. So guys, finally we are in the park and look at the tall pine trees here. And Aminda, what's your favorite animal? Bunny? I saw bunny in the park. I'm gonna give it to you now. She's super excited. Come, let's go.
Over there!
Where? 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 I don't see. Where's the bunny? Aminda likes bunny so much. They have bunny here. Go and hold. Hold that one. That's the bigger one. उसको दे दीजिए थोड़ा. दे दीजिए. Hold. Yay! You like the bunny? You wanna take it home?
Yeah.
You like the bunny so much?
Yes, but it's heavy.
It's heavy. Huh? Let me see. Oh, really? It's heavy. And this park is basically for small children. They have got some, rock climbing over there, some swing, and what is this? Trampoline, some slides. Look at the beautiful park here. Today is Saturday, and half of Delhi is in Manali right now. It's so crowded. Escaping the heat from the Delhi. Most of the Delhiites, they come to Manali and Mussoorie during the summer break. I wants to feed the grass to the bunny. Yeah. Don't go closer to the mouth, okay? Otherwise bunny will bite your fingers.
This keeps eating actually. Bunny to throw out the day.
Bunny like glass.
Go. इसको लेके जाना please.
Inside there.
Yeah, go. Enjoy. Amina, give me your glass, please. You'll get hurt with the glass. Give me the glass. Yeah, you can play now. What?
My bunny.
Bunny? You miss your bunny? You can't take it back to Delhi, baby. Aminda is enjoying the trampoline.
Lagi pine grass tu.
हाँ
Mahala bagan dia na.
हाँ
Main upor dia.
हाँ
Or pine grass lah boleh pakai.
Hi. Aminda is enjoying the trampoline here. So my dear, you love the Mussoorie or the Manali?
Both has its own beautiful scenic, so they're beautiful in their own way, and I love both.
Yeah.
मैं देख इधर बेटा उसको उधर जाना है देख ऐसे जाना होता है जैसे वो जा रही है मैं देख इधर
Be careful, Aminda. कौन सा ड्रेस बोलता है इसको? हिमाचली Manali dress. Okay. This is the Manali dress. Look at Aminda. Hi, Aminda. You're looking so beautiful. Aminda is now in the group. Aminda has become the Himachali now. Come, baby. Who is this? Is this Himachali baby? Who is this? Are this is my Aminda. I want to click picture with baby Aminda. She's becoming the celebrity here. It's a big swing. Be careful, baby. So we are done with the lunch and we are all set now to go to explore the hot balloon. They said to come after 4 p.m. It's almost 4 right now. And let's see if the weather is good. When we went in the afternoon, it was windy, so it was not allowed to go in the hot balloon. So after 4, they requested us to come and check once again. So we'll call the dive right now, then go towards the place where we can, where they launch the hot balloon. So after lunch, we're exploring this Mall Road of Manali. This is called the Mall Road. It's kind of like a commercial hub. And this is the chalk. So we are going back actually. Our car is parked somewhere there. The driver has just called us to meet in the pickup point. Then we're gonna go towards the place where they launch the hot balloon. हो गया लिया आपका?
बस खा लिए मैंने,
खा लिया?
चाय पिया ना,
हाँ जी.
तो समोसे खा लिए.
So we are going right now for the hot balloon. So they are setting up the hot balloon, and very soon we will be up there. They're giving us a priority since we came for the second time. So many people are there for the booking, and they have charged 3,000 for the hot balloon, 1,000 for the GoPro drone shot. So they will be taking the video as well. Sample कौन सा है? This is a sample. थोड़ा forward करना ऊपर में. Okay. हर एंगल से देंगे ना ये. ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल. चलो ठीक है. वो पूरा 360 एंगल मिलेगा ना?
पूरा लेगा.
हाँ मुझे ये चाहिए था. चलो ब्यूटीफुल.
क्लोज शॉट लेगा 4 से 5.
ऑलराइट.
उसके बाद 360 लेगा सर, अप डाउन सब लेगा.
अच्छा
Landing से ऊपर.
ठीक है. थैंक यू. So they are setting up the hot balloon right now. Let me just show you the closer view of the hot balloon. We're gonna go up here very soon. There's a place called Cappadocia in Turkey. There they have the famous, hot balloon. Oh, it's so big, see? So big. Like I said, in Cappadocia also they have this hot balloon. I want to try there as well. But since we're getting this in India, why not try here when we came to Manali? It's just $4,000 for around 7 minutes ride. So very soon we'll be up there. This balloon looks small up there in the sky, but it's really big.